Sinabi mo joke. I am with some creatives.
Your Honor, may we request for an executive session po so we can clarify things.
No, wala pa naman, there's nothing sensitive here. As we go along, siguro.
But these are...
Wala pa naman, hindi pa naman sensitive yung matter.
You to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last reach is gone. I hope somewhere your voice...
Hindi nyo mulak, may tanong lang po kami. Noong kayo po ay nakapag-desisyon na magpunta sa NBI at magsagawa ng reklamo, paano nyo po isinagawa ito? Meron din po ba kayong kasamang abogado na nung kayo po ay nagpunta na sa NBI?
Senator, thank you for the question. Nung una nga, kasi nga, ako talaga nung sinabi sa akin ng anak ko, hindi ako makapaniwala na nangyari. Kasi tulad na nasabi ko, sobrang taas ng respeto ko kay Jojo.
Sir ninyo, wag lang po nyo kumprontahin sa chairman lang po.
Kasi nasabi ko lang na hindi ako makapaniwala doon sa nangyari kasi nga kasi katrabaho ko, nilirespeto ko. So yun, talagang I was, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin talaga noong una. So ang naisip namin gawin was go to Senator Bong Revilla. At si Senator Bong naman yung nagsabi na if you want to go to the NBI, we can go to the NBI. Pero dahil nga, syempre, ako bilang magulang, gusto ko protektahan muna sa aming anak ko. Ayoko sana may makaalam. So we went through the channel. We went to Miss Annette Gozon. We were trying to fix it internally. Pero I didn't know how to do it internally pero magsasapa pa rin kami ng kaso. Di ba?
Mr. Chair,
Yun nga po.
if I may interrupt.
Sige po.
Nalaman ng media yung nangyari.
Po?
Paano nalaman ng media?
Ay, hindi ko po alam siya.
Sino nagkalat?
Hindi ko po alam. Hindi ko po talaga alam.
So when did
Bigla na lang po pumuntok eh.
first knew about it, na kumalat na sa media? Saan mo nabalitaan? Sa social media? Sa radyo ba?
Sana kumalat na po.
Yeah.
Sa social media po. Unang lumabas kay OG Diaz.
Sige, continue.
Yan po. I'll continue. I didn't know how to do it na ayusin namin internally pero still magsasapa pa rin ako ng kaso kasi I knew na once na mag-file kami ng kaso, talagang puputok na sa media. Hindi maiwasan hindi puputok sa media, di ba?
Teka, paano nalaman ni OG Diaz?
Ay, hindi ko po alam.
Did you talk to him?
No po.
You haven't talked to him? Kasi
I talked to him since
sa social media, mukhang detalyado yung mga...
Ay, pero hindi po sa amin galing talaga eh. But there were...
nakausap niya anak mo?
We have other witnesses. Kasi I don't know kung kung paano nag-leak talaga. Ayan po. And then, so it took 10 days bago namin na-file kasi nga po, nagkita kami ni Annette Gozon at hinarap niya sa akin yung dalawa dun sa bahay ni Miss Annette Gozon. And nag-apologize sila sa akin.
They apologize for what?
Saktong pagkasabi nila, sorry talaga umiiyak sila.
Assuming
ito po, Sen, talaga,
apologize. Let's just go straight to the point.
Talaga, sinasabi ko po
What
ito
did
po.
they apologize for?
Ang
Did they do something
they were crying and they apologized. Ang sabi nila, sorry talaga, sorry ninyo, ganun. Kasi akala namin okay lang.
What do you mean? Yeah, they were sorry for what? What did they do?
For what they did.
What did they do? Did they admit it to you that they did something untoward?
When they said sorry, syempre naiintindihan ko yung kwento ng anak ko.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun, di ba?
Alright.
And then they said, akala daw nila okay lang. But clearly,
Akala nila consensual.
yes, yan. But clearly, kung okay lang, di wala kami rito sana ngayon. Diba? At saka hindi sana nag-iiyak yung anak ko. Yun po.
Sige.
And Miss Annette Gozon was our witness during that meeting. Yun po.
Let's just,
Yes, Senator.
I think this will be your last hearing, so we'll just go straight to the point. Jojo Nones and Richard Cruz, are you represented by any lawyer? You can give you can give legal advice if you wish. All right. Thank you. Diba may bigote ka dati sa Facebook? May bigote ka, Jojo. Sino ba si Jojo dyan? Nag-ahit ka na ng bigote mo?
Hello? Your Honor, ano po, minsan may ahit, minsan po may shadow beard.
Right. Mr. Chair, I would like to request the COMSEC to administer the oath.
Okay, Comsec, mag-administer tayo ng ano. Okay, pwede po kayong tumayo. Sir Richard and Sir Jojo, tatayo lang po.
Yeah, can you kindly raise your right hands? Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this committee hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
The answer is in the affirmative, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Senator, nakapag-administer na po sila po.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Okay. Ano trabaho nyo ngayon?
Ngayon po wala po dahil naka-preventive suspension po kami, Your Honor.
Okay, bukod sa GMA 7, meron pa ba kayong ibang pinagtatrabuhan?
Sa ngayon po,
Before, no, hindi pa kayo in-issue ng preventive suspension.
GMA lang po. Yep.
Okay. Sinasabi ng GMA, independent contractors kayo.
Yeah.
Correct. Hindi kayo sinusweldoan ng monthly.
Hindi po.
Ano? Hanggat may kontrata, may sweldo. Ibig sabihin per project.
Yes.
So pag meron kayong isang teleserye na 6 na buwan tatagal, 6 na buwan lang sweldo niya. Am I correct?
Bag sa director po.
As a
Bag director. Ganun.
director ka ba ano? Sino bang director?
Sa ngayon po nagdidirect po ako.
Ikaw.
Opo.
Ikaw,
Your Honor.
Richard.
Consultant, scriptwriter, creative consultant.
Scriptwriter ka.
Mm.
Ikaw, Jojo, ang director.
Opo.
So ano yung mga dinidirect mo ng mga projects sa GMA?
Meron po akong bago po ang lahat nangyari to. Meron po ako bagong director lang po ako na pinag-direct ng network. Dati po consultant din po ako, drama consultant. Tapos nalipat po ako sa position na director. So nagdidirect po ako ng teleserye na panghapon.
Gaano na kayo katagal nagtatrabaho sa GMA?
Ako po, 24 years po.
Doon sa 24 years na yun, hindi kayo nagtrabaho sa halimbawa sa ABS-CBN, sa TV5?
Nag-ABS-CBN po ako from 1996 to 2000. Then 2000 to 2024 po sa GMA.
Nag-stick ka na sa GMA?
Yes po.
What about you, Direk?
Nakapag-work din po ako sa ABS mga early 2000s. Tapos nag-ABC5 po ako, tapos TV5, tapos nakapag-MZ din po.
Okay, during the night of the alleged incident, ano ginagawa niyo sa event ng GMA?
Nag-attend po kami ng GMA gala, Your Honor.
That was GMA sponsored.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Kayo ba ay naimbitahan dito?
Yes po, Your Honor. Meron po kaming formal invitation.
Anong oras natapos yung event?
Around midnight po, Your Honor.
Ha?
Around or close to midnight po, Your Honor.
Close to midnight.
Opo.
Noong mga nakalipas na event ng GMA, kayo rin ba ay naimbitahan?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nag-book din ba kayo ng hotel room?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit?
Usually po pag GMA gala, Your Honor, fully booked po yung mga hotels doon sa area. Mahirap
Kaya
po
nung gabing yun, saan kayo saan ba ginawa yung gala?
Sa Marriott Hotel po.
Gala, oh.
Sa Marriott Hotel po,
Marriott.
Your
Where
Honor.
were you billeted?
In Belmont Hotel po, Your Honor.
So,
Magkalapit. lang po. Yes po,
pwede
Your Honor.
kang lumakad.
Opo, Your Honor.
So, nag-book kayo ng hotel dun sa, ano yan?
Sa Belmont po,
Belmont.
Your Honor. Opo.
Saan yung event?
Sa Marriott po, Your
Marriott.
Honor.
Sino nagbayad dun sa Belmont?
Ako po.
Hindi
Kasi-
sponsored ng GMA.
Hindi po.
Di ba lahat ng mga artista, lahat ng mga konektado sa GMA,
Ay-
di ba ni-sponsoran ng
Hindi po,
automatic
hindi
na
po.
yun na sagot ng GMA 7.
Opo.
So kayo,
Yeah. Lahat po ng consultants, yung mga creative, nag-book kami sa
basta
Belmont.
dito sa Senado, pantay-pantay lang ang tingin namin. Okay? We are gender sensitive here. Okay?
Thank you po, Your Honor.
Pag membro ng LGBT, okay lang yan. Choice yan. Basta kami pantay-pantay lang tingin namin sa inyo lahat. Alright?
Salamat po, Your Honor.
Okay. Sa opening statements ninyo, you deny all allegations that has been brought against you.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Both of you. Would you know kung ba't nagkaroon ng ganitong kabigat na reklamo sa inyo? Bakit nagre-reklamo Sandro na yung tatay ni Sandro, bakit nagre-reklamo ng gano'n?
Hindi po talaga namin alam, Your Honor.
At kanina sabi ni Mr. Mulak na nag-meet kayo sa bahay ni Attorney Annette Gozon, ang Vice President ng GMA7, na nag-apologize kayo. What did you apologize for?
Your Honor, ang sabi po namin kay ninyo, we're very, very sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niya.
You're very sorry for what? What did you apologize?
We did not apologize po. Ang context po is, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
No, why? Kung wala kayong ginawa,
was
sandali
clear.
lang. Kung wala kayong ginawang masama, ba't ka magsasorry?
Ang context po kasi, yung parang, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi, medyo nagugulan ako, medyo may pagka-weirdo.
So, yun po yung buong sentence namin.
Sorry, Robin, Hindi, ganito lang, sorry, Robin. Ba't ako magsasorry sa'yo? Anong ginawa ko, di ba?
Kasi buong sentence po siya, hindi lang po siya sorry. So, sorry po, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi nyo, pwede
So-
bang, kung meron kayo idadagdag doon sa sinabi, bakit siya why did he apologize? For what?
No.
Senator Jinggoy, ito po sinasabi ko, ay talagang umiiyak sila nung nag-sorry sila. They were crying, both of them. And they even offered to donate a certain amount to a charitable institution of my choice. Para lang masettle yung
Is it true?
Ang sagot ko po sa kanila, ako, tao lang ako. Diyos nga marunong magpatawad. Kaya ko kayong patawarin. Pero kailangan pagbayaran niyo yung ginawa niyo.
Is it true that you were offering something sa charitable institution? Is it true?
No po, Your Honor, kasi that would be very insulting po.
Huh?
No po, Your Honor.
Oh, they are denying it, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, Ms. Annette Gozon was present during the incident.
Okay. I had an investigation of my own. I will ask both of you. Okay. The gala was held at Marriott Hotel. Correct.
Yes, Your Honor.
Both of you, Jojo Nones and Richard Dode, hindi Dede, are billeted at Belmont, which is a walking distance from Marriott Hotel. Correct.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Jojo texted Sandro if he can come over to the room.
I did not text that po, Your Honor. In fact,
Did you have the copy of the text messages? Kasi dinilit mo lahat. Nasa may telepono ko. Dinilit mo lahat yung mga messages eh. You have a copy of the text messages? You sure?
yes po,
Pag
Your Honor.
nirecover namin sa Globe yan o sa Smart yan, pakukulong kita rito. Now you better tell the truth.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth po, Your Honor.
You did not.
Hindi po sa akin nanggaling. Kay Sandro po mismo nanggaling.
Remember, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron ba? If
I
you
am
can,
under oath,
if
Your
you can
Honor.
show me proof that Direct Jojo texted Sandro. All right. And then,
Your Honor,
yes.
siya po yung mismo nagsabi na andyan pa ba kayo, sir?
Wait lang. Yeah. We'll go to that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Allegedly, you texted Sandro if you can come over to the room, which you deny. Yeah, maganda
Yes,
kasi
Your
Atty.
Honor.
Kapunan, magaling na abogada yan. Huh? Yeah, but apparently, Sandro asked if who was with you. Nag-text back si Sandro. At ang reply mo, just me. Okay? Sandro never replied. Okay? Wait lang. Sandro never replied, ha? Ako, base sa investigasyon ko lang to. Kaya syempre, natakot. Sinabi, just me. Di ba? After a while, you texted again and told Sandro, the context of your text was joke. At sinabi mo, you were in the company of some of the creatives. Yes or no?
Ang eksaktong
Yes or no?
ang eksaktong text ko po, Your Honor, I'm with Drama Peeps but we're wrapping up na.
Yes. But you texted him joke, correct?
Well, yes, Your Honor. Kasi nung una, nung just me po, kasi natutulog na po sa tabi ko si Dode. And then,
Then just me, Sandro did not reply. And then when
Yes,
you
po.
replied joke, I was with some of the creatives. Mismo yung mga tao sa creatives.
yes po, but
Creative
I
department.
also said po,
Correct?
yes po, Your Honor. But I also said po, Your Honor, we're wrapping up na kasi I didn't want him to think po that
Okay.
anything about
Okay.
the just me text.
After which, Sandro obliged to the invitation of Jojo. At doon nag-text si Sandro na pwede ba dumaan dyan? Sino-sino pa kayo nandyan? Yun yung lumalabas sa social media na hindi naman tinover kung ano yung prior conversation. Correct?
Your
Mm.
Your Honor, wala pong invitation, wala pong direct invitation from me, from myself. Siya po yung nagsabi na pwede pa ba akong dyan,
Kaya
sir?
nga. Kasi prior to that, inibitahan mo nga eh. Huwag ka na mag-deny, inimbitahan mo na nga to come over your room.
Hindi po, Your
Tapos
Honor.
sinabi mo, tinanong nga ni Sandro, sino nandyan? At sinabi mo, me only, ako lang. Tapos biglang sinabi, hindi na nag-reply, sinabi mo, joke. I am with some creatives.
Your Honor, may we request for an executive session po so we can clarify things.
No, wala pa naman, there's nothing sensitive here. As we go along, siguro.
But these are
Hindi pa naman sensitive yung matter.
facts of the case po, Your
Huh?
Honor. These are already facts
So?
of the case po, Your Honor.
Ito
Ito lang po
asking
yung
you if it's true or false. Wala pa naman tayo sa
there was no
Hindi pa
direct
naman sensitive
invitation.
yung
There was no direct invitation from me, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was just being polite and kind because he is my friend. But there was no direct invitation. In fact po, bago po siya na sinabi na akit siya, I said we're wrapping up.
Totoo ba? Do you have a copy of the text messages of Mr. Nones?
We have po, Your Honor.
If I may answer,
Yes.
Your Honor, Attorney Sharina Quintanilla Raz for Sandro. We do have proof of that, but we cannot show that at the moment because it is with the NBI. And as this explained earlier, the NBI is safeguarding the confidentiality of the pieces of evidence.
Do you
in
have
this
any
case.
representative from the NBI here? Yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Attorney Zuleika Marie Esconales, the investigator on case, Your Honor.
Do you have the copy of the text messages? The conversation?
The complainant already submitted pieces of evidence to support his complaint, Your
So-
Honor.
You cannot share it with the committee?
With all due respect, Your Honor, for purposes of confidentiality, because of pending investigation, we are
All right.
keeping the same,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Of course. I
Thank
will
you, Your
respect
Honor.
that. Okay, at that time, nung umakyat na rin si Sandro, kasi when you invited him, Sandro was in his room together with his girlfriend. And apparently, Sandro informed his girlfriend that he was going to the room of Jojo and company. Upon entering the room, Sandro was surprised since it was only Jojo and Richard who were there in the room. Correct? Correct.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam kung na-surprise si Sandro din.
No, umakyat si Sandro sa kwarto ninyo. He was surprised upon seeing only both of you.
Well, he wasn't surprised po, Your Honor. Wala po kami
Kasi ang
ganyang
sinabi mo
knowledge.
doon sa text messages, I am with people from the creatives group.
No po, sir. My exact message was just, we're wrapping up na, GMA drama peeps referring to me and Dode, but we're wrapping up na.
Okay,
So,
that's your word.
yes.
Malalaman naman natin sa investigation sa NBI yan. Did you offer Sandro glass of wine?
No, Your Honor. When he arrived, he asked if we could drink the wine that was there on the ledge.
Did you give a 500 peso bill, which was wrapped like a straw?
No, Your Honor.
Hmm?
No, Your Honor.
And apparently you poured a powder substance,
No, Your
powdery
Honor.
substance.
No, Your Honor. Your Honor, these are already very details that need to be discussed in an
Your Honor,
executive
if I may,
session.
Your Honor. I think, Your Honor, these matters are part of the allegations of the complainant, Your Honor, which are now under validation of the NBI, Your Honor. In fact, Your Honor, we were also advised by the NBI with regard to that the own allegations of Mr. Sandro Mulak, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, are still under validation, even this allegation of the 500 peso bill and the alleged substance, Your Honor. So I don't know if the NBI would allow us to answer that questions, considering that the NBI also asked us not to disclose anything, even our counter allegations with respect to these matters, Your Honor.
You were requesting for an executive session. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Chair, I move that we hold this in an executive session right now.
Meron po tayong motion na tayo po ay mag-executive session. Pakikiusapan lang po natin na maiwan lang po dito yung mga concern. Yung iba po, pwede muna pong lumabas. Marami pong salamat. Sa amin pong palagay, itong aming pagdinig, kailangan, siyempre, may boses ang lahat. Pero doon po sa naganap na executive session, malinaw po sa aming pagkakaintindi na ito po ay makakarating dapat sa dapat karatingan. Bibigay ko lang po uli kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Senator?
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Based on the discussions earlier during the executive session, and of course we cannot divulge first yet the details of what transpired during the executive session. But what we all understand right now, and we agreed together with Senators Revilla, Padilla, Grace Po, and Senator Bato de la Rosa, there is a strong evidence against these two gentlemen. So we'll just hold it. We will just withhold all the information until all the pieces of evidence that are going to be gathered by the NBI are in. So the committee has given them 2 days to receive all the pieces of evidence. So maybe we can schedule the next hearing on Thursday together with all the parties concerned. Yes, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, I just want to, kasi napag-usapan na po namin na when kanina kasi nakita ko yung when they swore na they would tell the truth and nothing but the truth, para ako ng insulto eh. Na, we're willing to now to ano, na ilabas na yung ebidensya ng text messages just to prove na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Kasi, ano eh, talagang pinapalabas nila sa media, si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Ngayon, lalabas na namin, willing na kami.
What about the NBI?
Hindi, from my
Okay.
evidence, hindi galing
If
sa NBI.
Attorney Conales, Laika ba?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Attorney
Mapayag na
Conales.
si Mr. Mulak in behalf of his son to divulge all your pieces of evidence on hand.
No, not all, Sen. Hanggang dun sa text lang. Kasi,
Yes, sa
I
text.
just want to
Okay.
prove them wrong na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Nagsisinungaling sila. So, I think they should, di ba?
Mm.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, if I may, the National Bureau of Investigation would maintain the confidentiality of all the pieces of evidence we have. However, Your Honor, we could not prevent the complainant or the subjects, on the other hand, to show it to the public if they may decide so, Your Honor.
So are you willing to divulge the text messages?
Insofar as we are concerned, Your Honor, we are bound by the Department Circular Number 48, Series of 1993.
But this is in aid of legislation. This it won't bar anything. In aid of legislation overrides sensitive matters in any case in another forum.
With all due respect, Your Honor, the NBI would like to maintain confidentiality of all evidence, Your Honor. However, should the complainant or the subjects, Your Honor, decide so to show it to the public, Your Honor, the NBI could not stop them so, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. You can proceed if you want to.
Your Honor, please. I just want to manifest, Your Honor, that during the executive session, Your Honor, there was no May I proceed, Your Honor, please? Mr. Chair, it was not denied that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. It was not being denied. What was being denied, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. I think that was clear during the executive
Okay.
session.
Let's just listen first to the
Your Honor, please.
revelation of the statements of Mr. Mulak.
We submit to that, Mr. Chair, Your
Have you did the COMSEC administer the oath? Mr. Mulak, you administered the oath.
Okay, Comsec, aki-administer ang oath ni Mr. Nicky
Will
Mulak.
you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth to this committee?
Yes po.
The answer is in the affirmative, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
All right, make it brief, Mr. Mulak, because we still have a session.
I'm doing this just to kasi na-insulto talaga ako nung sinabi nilang sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text eh. That's why I'm doing this for my son. And for all the others na dumaan sa ganitong sitwasyon na walang kakayahang lumaban. This was the first text. At 3:59 a.m. Hi Sandro, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na? That was from
That
Jojo.
is 3:59 a.m.
Yes po.
What day?
And then, sumagot si
Sa anong
Sandro.
araw yun?
20 po yung
August? July.
20 po yung gala. So this is 21 ng
21 na.
araw. Opo.
Okay.
Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now dito sa Marriott, sir.
Sino nag-text yan?
Po?
Sino nag-text yan? Jojo.
Hindi. Yung text si Jojo, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba? Okay, sumagot si Sandro. Sir Jojo, sorry po. Hindi po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Yun yung sagot ni Sandro. Opo. Hope to see you soonest, Sir Jojo. See you soonest.
Sino nagsabi
Sir
nun?
Jojo.
Sino
Ha?
nagsabi nun?
Si Sandro.
Saan?
Kasi-
Okay, sabihin mo lang. Oh, Sandro,
Is every
para klaro sa tao.
event, lagi magbabati si Jojo kay Sandro ng, "Hi Sandro, happy birthday, Merry Christmas." So matagal na silang
Okay, sige.
magka-text ng gano'n.
Proceed.
And then, nag-text ulit si Jojo. Po?
What time?
Wala.
Basta magkakasunod to na text.
Sige, okay.
Enjoy. Still partying. Sino kasama mo?
Text si Jojo.
Text si Jojo. Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Alejo.
Si Sandro yan.
Si Sandro yung nag-text. So sabi ni Jojo, be safe. Okay? Tapos sumagot ulit si Sandro ng, thank you Sir Jojo. Hope to work with you. Hope to work with you again. See you soon po. Okay? Tapos, nag-text si Jojo. Nabitin ako sa inom. Ha 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 ha. Sabi ni Jojo. Tapos sumagot si Sandro ng, ako nga din po eh. Tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Yes, soon, cast kita. Yung reply niya was dun sa text ni Sandro na, thank you Sir Jojo, hope to work with you. See you soon po. So, siguro, minsan kasi may mga messages na papasok late na eh. So, ito yung sagot naman ni, nauna yung nabitin ako sa inom, kesa rin sa, yes soon, ikakas kita, nagdidirect ako now. Sabi ni Jojo. Wow, sir. Looking forward to that too. Oh, tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Gusto mo ba? We have some alcohol here in the room. We can order some more. Saan po kayo, sir? Sabi ni Sandro. Belmont Hotel. Katabi lang ng Marriott's. So, sabi ni Sandro, sino-sino po kayo, sir? Ha, 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 ha. Just me. Sumagot si Jojo. Just me. And then, matagal na hindi nag-reply si Sandro. Siyempre, yung bata, nakita niyang siya na mag-isa, hindi niya sumagot. Takot, di ba? Okay, so, after a while, siguro, yung na-realize na hindi na sumasagot si Sandro, at 4:37 a.m., ha ha ha, sumagot si Jojo after a while kasi hindi na nga nag-reply si Sandro. Ha ha ha, just kidding. Kasama ko the drama peeps. But we're wrapping up in a bit. Okay? Siyempre, kahit sinong artista na baguhan, given a chance na makasama mo yung drama peeps, you will take the chance. Dahil pagkakataon mo yun, i-market yung sarili mo eh. Makasama sila, makaparty mo. Di ba?
Siguro sabi ni Sandro, this is my opportunity.
Yes.
My cast.
That's why. Kaya nga,
I would also do the same.
naintindihan ko naman siya doon sa point na yun. Pero, sabi ko, mali pa rin yung oras. That was yung kumbaga, sermon ko bilang magulang. Mali yung oras. Pero syempre, Sandro is of age already. 23 years old na siya, ha?
That was what time? 4
Or
in
37.
the morning.
Yes po. And then, sir, andyan ba kayo, sir? Kasi nga, I'm with the drama peeps eh, di ba? So sabi ni Sandro, andyan ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Ha, 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 ha. Kabababa ko lang po. Hindi. Sumagot mo na siya ng sure. May kasama ka?
Your Honor, please, we would like to, because we also have a copy of the...
Can you let Mr. Mulak finish first before you rebut or...
We submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Sure. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Kabababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Ox. Sabi ni Jojo. And then, no po. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Ox, Belmont Hotel, 700B. Okay po, akit po ako. Just proves na sila yung una nag-text. Sila, di ba?
But they admitted na kayo una nag-text, diba?
Yes, Your Honor. There was no denial that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. There was no denial with respect to that, Your Honor. The only matter that my client was denying was, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. That is our allegation, Your Honor.
Bakit yung pinalabas sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text?
Your Honor, we have no, wala po kami pinapalabas po sa media na si Sandro ang unang nag-text, Your Honor. There was no like that. We just mentioned that there was a message like that, Your Honor.
But you did not mention the prior conversation, the prior text before you
Yes.
you came out with that text.
Yes, Your Honor, because it
The
was an
media.
answer to a question by a media person.
Hindi, pinalalabas nyo kasi, base ron sa text na yun, na pinalalabas ninyo, na sige, pupunta muna ako dyan saglit.
Dumaan saglit. Okay.
Ayan, yan ang pinalalabas nyo sa media eh. So you're making it appear that it was Sandro who first texted Jojo.
It was not our intention, Your Honor. We just mentioned it
Ang hirap kasi,
as an existence. There's an existent text, Your Honor.
ang hirap kasi, you did not mention, paulit-ulit na lang ako kanina, you did not mention the previous text. That's why Sandro prompted to text you like that, to text him like that. Nadadaan ako dyan because Sandro, nung nag-text si Jojo na sinabi, I am with the drama peeps. So, komportable si Sandro na pumunta doon dahil may maraming tao. Oh. Kasi nung sinabi ni Jojo doon sa text na ako lang, hindi nag-reply si Sandro eh. It took a while for him to reply because Jojo texted again, no, joke lang. I am with the drama peeps. That's why he was convinced. And he went to the room of ano. That's why he texted that text na sige, dadaan lang ako saglit. Ganun lang yun.
We submit, Your Honor, with respect to all the messages, Your Honor. It's just that we have to include, Your Honor, also the whole message, Your Honor, stating that after he messaged, kasama ko the drama peeps, but we're wrapping up in a bit, Your Honor.
Yeah, sinabi naman ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh,
We just want to manifest that, Your Honor, and to put that on record.
It is up to the courts to appreciate
We submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
your pieces of evidence. We are not a court here. We are here to investigate in aid of legislation.
Yes, Your Honor. We submit, Your Honor.
What else do you want to say?
Then, Your Honor, since, Your Honor, there's already an investigation being conducted by the
Yeah, well, this is a different investigation. I don't care about the investigation of NBI or DOJ. This is another investigation in aid of legislation. We can conduct an investigation anytime we want in aid of legislation.
We submit to that, Your Honor, but with respect to the text messages, we have no further,
We want to, because here, we want to ferret out the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth.
no further manifestation, Your Honor, with regard to the text message. Let be on record, Your Honor, what we have mentioned, Your Honor, as our counter allegation to that, Your Honor. That is only,
But you still, your two clients still deny that there was no drugs involved.
Your Honor, as of the moment, they are invoking the right for self-incrimination, Your Honor, because, Your Honor, whatever question that may be asked to them, Your Honor, would be incriminating to them, Your Honor. So they're invoking the right
Because
of
according to
self-incrimination.
Mr. Mulak, during the meeting held in Attorney Annette's house, tinanong ni Mr. Mulak yung dalawa, was there any drugs involved? Hindi sumagot.
Your Honor, I think
Again, silence means yes.
Your Honor, during the executive session, which I don't want to divulge, Your Honor, since it's an executive session, it was already being answered by my client, Your Honor, that specific question. But since this is an
What was their
open,
answer?
during the executive session,
No.
they denied, Your Honor, during the executive session.
Yeah, of course.
But that is, Your Honor, I believe that during
So
the,
they still deny that. Now I'm asking you,
yes, Your Honor.
walang drugs involved or
Yes, Your Honor, they're denying that.
bakit ang tagal nila sumagot nung tinanong ni Mr. Mulak sa bahay ni Attorney Annette? 3 times daw.
As per my client, Your Honor, they're denying that matagal po silang sumagot. So at any rate, Your Honor, it's an allegation versus counter allegation, Your Honor.
Okay, you let your client answer. You're only
Submit,
there
Your
to
Honor.
give legal advice.
Your Honor, nung tinanong na po kami point blank, hindi po kami, wala po kaming hesitation. Sinabi lang po namin na no.
Ba't nagtagal ka
Wala
bago
po kaming
sumagot?
masamang ginawa sa anak
At
mo.
yung lawyer mo sinabi, they invoke the right to self-incrimination.
Yes,
Yan naman
kasi
lagi yan ang gasgas na linya pag nabubuking.
hindi po, Your Honor. Wala pong nabubuking, wala po kaming inaaming allegations. We're denying all allegations. We're just, Your Honor, respectfully, we have constitutional rights too, and we just want our rights to be protected in this forum. There's a process that's ongoing. There's a case filed against us, and we would like to answer that in the proper forum, Your Honor. That's why we're invoking that, but not because we're guilty, because we maintain our innocence. We are not guilty. We have said this over and over. There was no hesitation when he asked us, and I said, no, wala kaming ginawa masama sa anak mo.
So, Jojo, Mr. Chairman, with your permission. So, Jojo, you're denying the sexual harassment allegation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung angle na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. No.
You still deny
Yes, Your Honor.
that there were drugs involved?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung diniktik mong powder substance?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Baka lumabas sa
So,
investigation yan.
Jojo, ibig mo sabihin, nagsisinungaling si Sandro?
Well, I cannot speak po for Sandro Mulak,
Kasi-
Your Honor.
I saw him personally after 2 days. Is that correct? The next day. The guy is really shaking. Masyadong apektado siya. No? Talagang na-trauma yung bata eh. So kung yung bata ganun ng reaksyon, me personally nakita ng dalawang mata ko, ikaw kilala din kita, kasama ka namin sa project, but ang sa akin lang, siyempre doon lang tayo maninindigan sa tama eh, no? Dahil so unfair. And si Nino pa. You know Nino. Diba? Alam mo, hindi na usapin dito yung issue about you, issue about the Mulak, so Sandro. Ang issue dito ngayon, yung pangkalahatan, we want to avoid this, yung ganito mangyari muli. Ang daming lumalabas na nagpuputukan sa iba't ibang istasyon, ito mga naaabuso, ganito, ganyan. Yun ang iniiwasan natin. Kaya Mr. Chairman, no, anyway, syempre, ang lalabas dito ngayon, he said that, ganito. So, leave it to the committee kung ano man yung magiging decision nyo. But sa tandaan ninyo, hindi kami na may personal dito. Yung sa atin lang, in aid of legislation, para ma-avoid natin at maiwasan na maulit yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Pero sa totoo lang, ako, me personally, nakita ko yung bata, nanginginig siya. Sa mata ko, totoo yung sinasabi niya. Yun lang, Mr. Chair.
Senator Jinggoy? Okay po.
Siguro, you'll schedule another hearing with the permission of the chair. I hope si Sandro can attend the next hearing if he's physically fit to...
Senator, I will talk to him. And also to the behavioral science. Siyempre, hihingin ko pa rin po yung advice din po ng doctor kung okay na, kung feeling nila kaya na ni Sandro. Although, Sandro told me that he really wants to. Kaso nga lang, nag-advise yung behavioral science na tuwag muna. Siyempre, mas pinakinggan ko yung expert, di ba?
Of course.
Pero he personally wants to talaga.
Or NBI, siguro tapos na kayo mangolekta ng mga ebidensya ninyo by the time, Thursday. Oh,
Good afternoon again,
all right.
your honorable senators. We actually scheduled to see Sandro again on Wednesday. On Wednesday for the third mental status examination. And of course, it would be up to the parents and the council if if Sandra is willing also. However, at this point in time, the way we see it, I agree with Senator Bong. He is in trauma and it's going to be difficult for him to appear in public because somehow nanunumbalik po sa kanya yung pangyayari. Yung simptoma po na nakikita namin, kung patuloy pong ma-expose siya dito, it will exacerbate the symptoms that he is undergoing. But of course, it would be up to Sandro, their counsel, and the parents.
Okay, we will just leave it up to the father and the opinion of your division. Okay. Attorney Laika ba? Conales.
Yes, Your Honor.
So
Attorney
you're
Laika, Your Honor.
pwede nang makolekta yung mga ebidensya ninyo by Wednesday, so we can hear. We will conduct another hearing on Thursday with the permission of the chair.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I hope it would be amenable with the Honorable Committee that the NBI be given time to file the case if there would be any, Your Honor, before a discussion would have to be made, Your Honor. I hope that would be amenable with the
Can you
committee,
repeat
Your
kasi may
Honor.
binabasa ako. Ano ulit sabi mo?
Kung maaari po kaya, Your Honor, na mabigyan ng pagkakataon ng NBI na mag-file ng kung meron mang kaso bago po sana natin i-discuss sa publiko, Your Honor. However, Your Honor, the NBI would be willing to provide to you the report for purposes of the Senate Committee's appreciation, Your Honor. The only plea of the National Bureau of Investigation is that before any case would be filed or the investigation be terminated, that the same would not be disclosed to the public, Your Honor.
When are you going to file?
We hope to file the case within the week, Your Honor, if there would be any case to be filed, Your Honor.
If there's no case to be filed.
The investigation would have to be terminated, Your Honor, if there would be no case to be filed, Your Honor. A report would similarly be made by the Bureau, Your Honor, and the same would be submitted to the Honorable Committee's appreciation, Your Honor.
Basta sabi ni Sandro, when you testified earlier, na ayaw nila makita yung dalawa.
Yan talaga yung inaalala ni Sandro. Ayaw niya kasi makita ng personally yung dalawa.
Yeah, alright. Pwede siya
Lahat naman po yata ng ganong klaseng kaso, ganun talaga yung naging effect.
Alright, pwede ba siya virtual?
I will asking nga po.
So,
tonight.
pwede. Ano opinion ni Miss Lumampaw? Pwede siya sumagot sa mga tanong online?
I think, Your Honor, it would be better if
Huwag nila focus sa kanya yung camera. Pag
okay.
siya nag-testify.
If he will just appear in a close executive session with you than virtual. So that mas maganda po kasi yung nakikita nyo talaga yung behavioral observation of front. But of course, it will be up to the parent and their counsel. And of course, because Sandra is already of age, he can decide po.
Mm-hmm. Where's the mother of Sandro?
Yes, sir.
Where's the mother of Sandro?
Sa States po.
Ah, okay. So binigay ng nanay yung consent.
Opo, since he was 8 years old, ako lang nagpalaki kay Sandro.
Okay. So, kailan na?
Meron po akong 5 minutes lang. 5 minutes pa bago po kami mag-session. May tanong lang po ako kay Attorney Lorna Kapunan, ma'am. So, sa mga narinig nyo po, hindi po ba qualified na yung sa mga doon po sa text messages, ano? Isang mabilis lang pong explanation. Hindi po ba to bumabagsak doon sa verbal? Meron po ba doon pa sa text messages meron ng verbal abuse o may sexual abuse na po doon sa pinag-usapan po nila? Doon pa lang po sa text messages. Sa palagay niyo po?
Kasi yung harassment, hindi lang po physical, pwedeng verbal, miski na true or hindi, merong emotional at saka psychological po. Kung pwede ko lang idagdag no, in the last 3 minutes, kasi yung pag pinag-uusapan pong sexual harassment, hindi lang po yung sexual harassment law ang dapat tignan ng Senado. 4 po yan. Meron tayong Sexual Harassment Act, meron tayong Revised Penal Code sa Act of Lasciviousness, meron po tayong Revised Penal Code on Rape, at yung sinabi niyo po yung expanded definition ng rape to include already men. No? At lastly, meron po tayong Safe Space Act. Sa palagay ko po, sa more than 40 years of practice ko, lalong-lalong dito sa, involved naman ako sa industriya, on both sides, no, complainant and the accused, kailangan po talagang palitan o amendahan ang law natin. First of
What
all,
particular law, attorney?
in particular, the anti-sexual.
All of the laws that you
Yes
mentioned,
po.
are they
Because
obsolete? Especially the revised penal code.
the areas that have to be
Can you,
amended.
attorney, just to
Yes po, on all the laws
because,
po.
yeah, can you just put it in a writing
Yes.
piece of paper so the committee can study it?
We will do that
Pwedeng
po.
lumabas sa committee report yan.
Yes po. Ang idadagdag ko lang, because this is the Committee on Media, ang dihado po dito ang victim. Lalong-lalo na sa case namin, practicing lawyer, ang court po nag-o-order ng gag rule. So yung victim hindi makasalita. At ang kalaban is either big business or the industry. So talagang dihado na nga sa batas, dihado pa sa media. So sana tanggalin natin yung gag order na yan para level ang playing field. Thank you po.
Pag sinabi niyong may gag order, applicable, educate this committee, applicable ba sa Senate yan? Because we're doing this in aid of legislation.
Yes po, because like for instance, well, it's public knowledge, no? This is not violation of the gag order rule. It's public knowledge that we represent Gretchen Fulido. And this case has been pending for 6 years. It has not been resolved. It's pending in court, pero hindi po nalalaman ng publiko sapagkat may gag
May gag
order.
rule.
And unfortunately, because of the gag order rule, victims cannot ventilate yung cases of sexual harassment because media is controlled by companies na sponsors nila, na ang industriya, di ba? At kung minsan ang perpetrators mga bossing. Kanya yung CODI na yan, dapat tignan rin natin yung CODI, yung Committee on Decorum and Investigation, parang dihado rin ang victims dyan because no witness will appear and side with the victim. Kasi yung witness na yan, matatanggalin sa trabaho. Hindi ho ba? Yung witness na yan, matatakot rin. Miski na victim pa rin, wala pong sumusuporta sa mga victims because yung membro po ng mga CODI at sinabi na po ng mga television stations here that were present said that they have a CODI, but who will testify against upper management? Ganun lang po. Tingnan po lang natin. At lastly na lang po, kagaya po ng sinabi ni Sir Nino Mulak, the trauma it has caused. So dapat yung penalties, napakaliit po ng penalty. 1 hanggang 30 days lang po ang sexual harassment at ang fine. Miski na guilty ka, bayaran mo na lang yan eh. Dapat taasan ang penalty at hindi lang yon mag-create ng trust fund para sa victim so that the victim will get assistance for the trauma and the psychological effect. Yun lang po. We will submit a position paper on the matter. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Attorney Kapunan, for your inputs, your insights with regard to amending the laws that you have mentioned. Actually, some of them or all of them might be obsolete already kasi katulad nga sinabi niyo, mabababa yung jail term o mababa yung fine. Kahit sino, pwede lang bayaran. Kasi mababa lang yung ano. That's well appreciated, Attorney Kapunan. Mr. Chair.
Okay po. Pasensya na po kayo dahil kulang na po kami sa oras. Pasensya na po kung hindi po namin nakuha lahat ng inyong mga gustong sabihin, pero iniimbitahan po namin kayo uli sa pag-resume po ng hearing namin. Kung ako po ay tama sa Thursday, po sana po nandun po kayo uli lahat para po mapag-usapan po natin to. At katulad po ng sinabi ko kanina sa opening ko, ang maganda po dito, nakikita natin yung mga batas na kailangan po nating amendahan o baguhin. Yun naman po ang papel namin talaga. Kaya sana po tulungan niyo po kami. Wala po kaming gustong idiin dito. Ang gusto po natin, magkatulungan po tayo para kami po ay makapagtrabaho at yun po kayo po bilang aming mga resource speaker, katulad po ng sinabi ni Senator Jinggoy, matulungan niyo po kami. Kaya ito pong pagdinig na ito ay pansamantala po naming sinususpend. Maraming salamat po.